Assalamualaikum, dear student of class KG2. I hope you fine and healthy. Take out your phonic reader book and page number 1. A cat in a van. A इसका phonic sound है a, ख, a, ta, cat, e, in, a, va, in, van. A cat in a van. नीचे देखें a hat on a mat. A, ha, ta, hat, o, in, on, a, im, ta, mat. A hat on a mat. A, im, in, man, e, in, a, va, in, van. A man in a van. Next page, page number 2. A fat rat run. A, fa, ta, fat, ta, rat, in, run. A fat rat run. A fat cat sat. A, fa, ta, fat, kha, ta, cat, ta, sat. A fat cat sat. A fat man run. A, fa, ta, fat, in, man, in, run. A fat man run. Next page, page number 3. A pan in van. A, pa, in, pan, e, in, va, in, van. A pan in van. It is a fan. It is a fa, in, fan. It is a fan. It is my pen. It is my pa, in pen. It is my pen. Next page, page number 4. A hat on a bed. A, ha, ta, hat, o, in, on, a, ba, ta, bed. A hat on a bed. A man with a fan. A, in, man, va, ta, with. A, fa, in, fan. A man with a fan. A, ba, ta, bed. Va, ta, with. A, kha, cap. A bat with a cap. Next page, page number 5. A, in, man, va, ta, with. A, map. A man with a map. A fat cat run to the van. A, fa, ta, fat, kha, ta, cat, in, run, ta, to, ta, the, va, in, van. A fat cat run to the van. A hot pot. A, ha, ta, hot, pa, ta, pot. A hot pot. Next page, page number 6. A dog on a log. A, dog, o, in, on, a, log. A dog on a log. A rod in the cord. A, the rod, in, t h e, the k o t, cot, a rod in the cot, a rod on a log, a il o d, rod, o in on, a il o g, log, a rod on a log. Next page, page number 7. It is a cord. It is a cord. Cord. It is a cord. It is my pot. It is my pot. It is my pot. It is a hot pot. It is a hot pot. It is a hot pot. My pot is hot. My pot is hot. My pot is hot. Next page, page number 8. It is a fat dog. It is a fat dog. It is a fat dog. It is a hot pen. It is a hot in pen. It is a hot pen. It is a hot pen. A bag in a cart. A bag in a cart. A bag in a cart. A fan with a rod. A in fan with a il or the rod. A fan with a rod. A man sat on a log. A in man sat on a il o g, log. A man sat on a log. A hot pen in the van. A hot in pen. In the in van. A hot pen in the van. My bed is on the log. My bed is in on the log. My bed is on the log. My head is in the cart. My head is in the cart. My head is in the cart. Next page, page number 10. A bun in a hut. A bun in A hut, a bun in a hut, a mug on a rug, mug, a mug on rug, a mug on a rug, a gun with a cub, in gun, with a cup, a gun with a cub. It is my bun. It is my bun. It is my bun. Next page, page number 11. My gun is on the rug. My gun is on the rug. My gun is on the rug. A nut cut in a hut. Nut cut in a hut. A nut cut in a hut. A cup run in fun. A cup in run in fun. A cup run in fun. A mug with a tub. Mug with a tub. A mug with a tub. Next page, page number 12. A rod with a gun. The rod with a gun. A rod with a gun. It is a hot cup. It is a hot cup. It is a hot cup. It is my fat cat. It is my fat cat. It is my fat cat. My fat cat sat on a rug. My fat cat sat on a rug. My fat cat sat on a rug. Next page, page number 13. My bag is in the hut. My bag is in the hut. My bag is in the hut. My dog run on a log. My dog runs on a log. My dog runs on a log. My cup is with a dog. My cup is with a dog. My cup is with a dog. Next page, page number 14. A pin in a lip. E in pin, E in a ill e per lip, a pin in a lip. 8 is a big wig. Eat a 8 is a big wig. 8 is a big wig. 8 is my bib. 8 is my bib. 8 is my bib. My wig is big. My wig is big. My wig is big. Next page, page number 15. My pin is big. My in pin is big. My pin is big. The pin is big. E. The in pin is big. The pin is big. A big tin with a sip. A big in tin with a sip. A big tin with a sip. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप आप लोग को सब समझ आ चुका होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.